So when you first sign up for Simply Be Found, no matter what plan you are on, you're going to get access to a to-do list. This to-do list is going to tell you the steps as a business owner that you need to do to be able to get yourself found by more local customers. This is going to help you on voice search. This is going to help you on local search. This is going to help you on any algorithm or any search network to be able to get your business found. So inside of this whole entire to-do list that we're doing, it's going to do things like ask you, do you want to create a post today? Do you want to respond to a review? Should you be doing this or that? It'll ask you about questions and answers. Now, depending on what plan you are on, will be a matter of if you can access those parts of the tools to be able to take your business to that next level. So, as we start to look at this and as we go through that to do list, it's going to walk you through. Now, these action items are going to help you with that score over here. That's going to actually help you be able to increase that score. Anything over a 70%, I give you the thumbs up on. That means you're doing the right stuff. Anything over 80%, all right, let's go ahead and let's rock and roll it. Anything above that, man, you're rocking it and you're absolutely doing it. One of the big things that we do here at Simply Be Found is we're trying to be able to help you be able to create and be able to do your own marketing from one spot. And right here inside of the to-do list, it's one of the biggest ways you do it. Now, I've worked with clients for the last 30 some years. Now, I've been in marketing for 30 years, probably since 2008, so 20 some years, I think, if I'm doing math right. Um, it's one of those things to where everybody always said, hey, give me a list, I'll knock it out, I'll be able to do it. We try to make this as simple as possible. So check us out, simplybefound.com. If you're not already a member, sign up today for free and get yourself found and be able to do your own to-do list. I know you can do it, and we have your back every step of the way. Check us out.